Welcome to Shoal Bay East, the Caribbean's most perfect shade of blue, where luxury meets untouched natural beauty. This isn't just a beach, it's a world-class escape. So pristine, so vibrant, it feels unreal. Shoal Bay East is famous for its rare turquoise gradient, crystal-clear shallows blending into deep electric blue. For ultra-luxury travelers, private villas, champagne sunbeds, elevated dining, everything curated for elite comfort. That's why Shoal Bay East is consistently ranked among the world's top beaches. The clarity, the calm, the color, unmatched. If ultra-luxury islands inspire you, this channel reveals the best hidden paradises across the world. Tap subscribe for more ultra-luxury escapes.